Well, as you can see from the opening images, we're in Bath.
We are.
And we've just checked into the Hotel Indigo. Let's have a look at the hotel in a bit more detail. Ready, Mel?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's have a look round. So the rooms are playing card themed. 427. Is that a good hand? I don't know. There's Melissa again. She comes installed most hotels I go to.
All the Hotel Indigos have got like a quirky styling, and this one is themed around like playing cards.
Yeah, 427.
I don't know why.
Yeah, I was saying, is that a good hand? 427 in diamonds. Look at that.
I don't think so.
So as you can see, the side tables have got the playing card themes. And so has the wall. I like the retro phones they have in the Hotel Indigo. The one in Cardiff's got the same. Yeah, facilities. Well, this is a standard king room. The Nespresso machine.
George Clooney's favourite.
Is it? Maybe knocking the door.
Oh, she was.
Interesting pictures above the bed.
Somebody with a paintball under him.
What was that, Mel?
It looks like somebody playing paintball.
Yeah, Mel's saying, looks like somebody was playing paintball. What have we got here? You get the tea and coffee, as well as Nespresso. You've got the tea making there. And you've got a fridge with a couple of bottles of water and complimentary Coke and something else. The milk there is Mel's. She brought that with her soya milk. The robes. I like this wardrobe. It's got really thick doors, isn't it? It's like a chest. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So the bathroom's got a shower, they're decent size, and a bath. The fittings are really clean, aren't they?
There's toiletries not in small plastic bottles, which is good for the environment, in bigger bottles. And I like the fact they've got nice glasses here. These are lovely, look at these.
Better than those plastic rubbish you get in hotels.
And everything looks really clean.
Yeah, it is clean. They did ring Mel the day before, and Mel requested a quiet room with a bath. So they've put us towards the back of the hotel, overlooking the courtyard. So Mel, the window's open.
Yes.
Get some fresh air.
That's nice.
And what else is good?
There is air conditioning as well, man.
Yeah, there's aircon, but it's nice to open the windows.
And these are good. I'm an IHG Gold member.
Yeah, it's not sponsored. This is our own money. And
these tickets give you
golden tickets.
a golden ticket.
I got a golden ticket.
It gives you a glass of wine, beer, and non-alcoholic beverage free per person.
Okay, we'll have some of that later. Bit of Colombo. That's what you need on a Sunday afternoon. But anyway, that QR code you saw when you turned on the TV, you can turn your, if you scan that, it turns your phone into a controller.
Woof, woof.
Queen of clubs. Anyway, the price. What's the price, Mel? Yeah, Bath isn't cheap. It's £125 a night. That's without breakfast. You were saying, Melissa?
I was saying that the hotel's in a really good position because it's basically 3 minutes walk from the
cathedral
and
Bath,
and the centre of Bath, all the shopping.
And even though I haven't got car parking,
there's a car park.
There's a car park opposite. They do have car park, valet parking.
Yeah, the van parking was quite expensive. It was £40 a night.
Yeah, but there's a public car park across the road.
Which is £15 a night.
£15, yeah. Hello Mel. We're by the bathroom to get some light. It's quite a dark room really, isn't it?
It is a bit dark.
So anyway, we've got the drinks vouchers. So we're going down to the bar to enjoy those free vouchers. So
well, I'm going to enjoy a free glass of wine or a free voucher.
yeah. So we'll try to film, but it's quite low lighted in the place. So we'll probably take some photographs, which are coming up next. They've got those interesting pictures again, paintball pictures. So this is like the lounge area, and they've got old-fashioned games, haven't they? Well, anyway, last night we used the vouchers, 2 nice drinks for free. The images were probably pretty dark. It was quite a dark, cosy little bar in there. But after dinner, we went back there and we had some cocktails. Very nice Negroni, and Mel had an old-fashioned. Not so nice was the price. The Negroni was £12 and the old-fashioned was 15. So, but very nice though, as a one-off, as a treat. Anyway, we can't leave Bath without showing you some nice views. They're coming up next. So that was our stay at the Hotel Indigo in Bath. Very nice too. But there's more videos coming up next of Bath and the surrounding area, and we'll see you in one of those. So until next time, bye.